Here we are on Hunter's Nature Adventures. Let's go for a short walk, shall we? I can smell we're getting near the nature. Matthew, here as you can see, we have the horse. The horse in its natural habitat, the cage. These horses are rather wild. I've contained them. There was no problem whatsoever. Nothing I couldn't handle. Jacob, as you can see, here we have the child in its natural habitat, the park. Gonna go down and oil the step? Yes.
We won't tell anyone.
These child are a bit wild. No. Nothing I couldn't handle. Matthew, as you can see, here we have the rock in its natural habitat, the ground.
Ooh, wow.
This rock is rather wild. Quick! Nothing I couldn't handle. Here we have the gecko in its natural habitat. Yeah, attempt to catch the gecko. You got away. It's not the first time that's happened to me. Certainly won't be the last.